Hello, and welcome back. Here in this video, I'm going to quickly go over how to properly get rid of the pesky Windows.old folder following an operating system upgrade. So, you have your Windows 10 installation and you're ready to do a Windows 11 upgrade. So that everything stays intact, you select Keep Personal Files and Apps. Once the upgrade is completed, you happily log into your new Windows 11 desktop. Following your Windows upgrade, open Windows Explorer and click This PC on the left navigation pane. Right-click the C drive and select Properties to see Use Space, Free Space, and Total Disk Capacity. Double-click to open the C drive and notice that there is a Windows.old folder which contains the previous Windows installation, program files, and other data. Right-click the Windows.old folder and select Properties to take note of the folder size. The size of this folder can be quite large since its purpose is to allow you to roll back to your previous Windows installation if necessary. Click the Windows Start flag and type Disk Cleanup. If prompted with a Disk Cleanup Drive Selection dialog box, select the disk which has the Windows installation. Normally, this will be the C drive. Click the Cleanup System Files button. This cleanup will close and calculate the amount of space that can be reclaimed. When Disk Cleanup reopens, there will be two tabs, Disk Cleanup and More Options. On the More Options tab, when you click the Cleanup button under the Programs and Features area, it opens Control Panels, Programs and Features, where you can uninstall unused or unnecessary applications. When you click the Cleanup button under the System Restore and Shadow Copies area, a dialog box prompts for confirmation to delete restore points. Back on the Disk Cleanup tab, go through each of the options and read the description to see what particular option removes and how much disk space will be reclaimed. In our case, to remove the Windows.old folder, we want to check the previous Windows installation checkbox. For our example, however, we're going to also select all of the other options so that we have a clean slate with minimal residue following the Windows upgrade. Click OK and acknowledge the following dialog boxes. Please be patient, as this process could take a long time. Alternatively, we can open Disk Cleanup by running the command cleanmgr using the sage set and sage run command line options. Open an administrative command prompt, a PowerShell session, or Windows Terminal. Type cleanmgr/sage set:1. The number can be any arbitrary number between 0 and 9999. The sage set parameter allows us to set and save the selections that we want the disk cleanup utility to remove. The number we selected will be used later. Again, go through each of the options and read the description to see what that particular option removes. However, when disk cleanup is invoked via cleanmgr, it does not provide a summary of how much disk space will be reclaimed, nor does it have the More Options tab. As earlier, we want to check the Previous Windows Installation checkbox and also select all of the other options so that we have a clean slate. Click OK. Next, type cleanmgr/sage run:1. Now we call the save settings we selected earlier with the number we chose for the sage set parameter. Disk Cleanup will run and remove the Windows.old folder along with other files we selected with our chosen options. Please be patient, as this process can take some time. After Disk Cleanup is complete, open Windows Explorer and select This PC. Again, right-click the C drive and select Properties to see the used and free space differences as compared to earlier. Double-click the C drive to open and notice the Windows.old folder is removed. Although the Windows.old folder can be removed via other methods and with some third-party tools, in this video we have covered the two Microsoft supported safe methods of removing the Windows.old folder to reclaim disk space and to tidy up following a successful Windows upgrade. It's important to note that both of the procedures work for other supported Windows upgrade paths, for example, from Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 to Windows 10. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed and found this video useful. If you have any comments or suggestions for topics you would like to see, please leave a note in the comments. And I thank you for watching.